So I do like the saying that you're judged by the company you keep. So there's a lot of digital sign installations that we've done over the years that are some major brand names that people go, oh, that's cool. This is one of them. This is a showroom for Ferrari. So what you're seeing there is digital sign installation done down in Florida that this whole rollout was put on the sand. So that's something for some of the new agents here to know too, that there's some brands that run on sand that are major household brands. You go, wow, that's cool stuff. Great. Okay, I think Ferrari is a great brand. So I want to post this one up. Thank you.